Hello scrappers! I've scrapped 1.5 million AC adapters. I'm gonna see how fast I can scrap this one. I think that'd be kind of interesting. So I start with the gloves on this because when I work quick, I work careless. Kind of makes it interesting to see if you can outdo yourself. These usually just tap through. Not this time. Got our brass. Number 2 insulated, more brass. And now the transformer. More than meets the eyes. I've always preferred hand tools over power tools. We're out. Look at that. Speed scrapped. Ha! See how quick that was? So, that was kind of fun. Let's see how much copper we got. 1/2 ounce of copper. No way is that 1 ounce of wire. No way. Yeah, that's more like 1/2 ounce of wire. A little bit of brass. Maybe I'll figure out how to get a timer in the corner. That'd be neat if I could figure that out. And do some speed scrapping videos. So, not too bad. Just remember guys, scrap is everywhere. All you gotta do is find it, sort it, and hoard it. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.